go to box Chevy. Done with it. Finally. Headrest brown. Suede head liner. The rear deck back there. Stitching. Green seat belts. Dashboard. Put the wood grain steering wheel in there. Made a little console. First time making one. About ready to go. I'll wipe down some stuff. Finish cleaning it up. Yeah, it's out of here. Like I said, we still gotta clean it up and whatnot. You know, touch it up. Make sure, go over everything. Try to make sure everything alright. Yeah. We ready to go. All these damn love bugs flying around. Shit. Them little holes that he got. I thought that's from where he had some tweeters. Where everybody's had them tweeters hanging up in their car. Little console. Put the little crossover in there. 2 cup holes. Had his, he said he gonna get a new motor, LS, but for right now, so that's why I just put the gauges back up there. He said he wasn't gonna keep them, so I ain't put the gauges in the console. That's why we screwed them up right there where they at. That's pretty much that, man. I'm shaking like a motherfucker. Still, steam that, try to get some of them wrinkles out right there in the middle. Like I said, we got to go over a little bit more, get to the other side. No problem. Stitch these things. Come on now, they was gonna paint them, but they was fuzzy looking, so they wouldn't look right painted. So I had to end up wrapping them. That's that. Green steering wheel. He gonna get a he said he gonna get a digital dash too. So he had one of them. I don't know when. He said he gonna get it soon. So I don't know when, but shit took a long ass time. Wish I had enough money to buy me a CNC machine and let this shit sew it for me. I ain't got to do all that shit. That's that, man. Box Chevy.